loves, and that's today's finished glam ready with me. I was in the mood of going for like a lavender purple and lime green combination. I feel like the lavender and light colors stands out more than the green. I like it. It's very soft ombre look. That's my preference. Like an airy type of dream girl makeup look. And my lipstick is a different color. I usually go for like that hot pink, but today this is more so like a fuchsia. It's just a liquid lipstick that I got at the Dollar Tree. I don't even remember. I think it was from Broadway Colors. I'm just gonna retouch it. I was thinking about wearing it with like the lip gloss plumper, but I don't know. I think today I'm just gonna wear it on its own, even though yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear my lip gloss plumper. I'm more used to it. And no, I'm not leaving the house with these crazy frizzy edges. No, ma'am. I'm going to remove it. I was just using the little headband to kind of hold my hair back a bit. And I'm going to be wearing my super cute, sexy, bling fitted cap from the beauty supply store. And that's how I'm going to cover those crazy edges today. And yes, this is my look. How you doing? I'm gonna get up so you ladies are able to see my whole outfit of the day. You've most likely seen this belt before. I love it. It's super versatile. Goes with all the outfits that I usually wear. This pearl skirt, I got it from Shein. And it's plain in the back. And then this beautiful rhinestone bling blouse is from Rainbow. My hoops, beauty supply. And yes. Also, I'm going to wear it with these gladiator sandals that I got at Rainbow for $7 on clearance. And they're very comfortable. I'm a flat feet girl, so trust when I say this style is super comfortable than their jelly ones, in my opinion. And I love it since it's multicolor. It goes with everything. And $7. Beautiful. So I'm going to put those on. And for my fragrance of the day, I'm going to wear... I'm going to go for Darling Heart, which is a pear and blossom scented. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's inspired by Victoria's Secret, but it's very fresh scented. It doesn't really smell too much like the Victoria's Secret one, but it's light enough to blend with my Kimberly's Tropical Pineapple perfume. Thanks for watching my Glam Ready with me. Another day, another slay. super colorful, blingy, feeling like a urban princess. Until next time, adios.